Silverstone, the rain is pouring down. It's round 12 of the MotoGP World Championship. I'm Nick Harris, sitting alongside me, Matt Burt, down in pit lane. It's Dylan Gray.
Marc Marquez on pole position for the sixth time this year, ahead of Lorenzo and Pedrosa. Valentino Rossi quick in the wet warm-up this morning. He heads row 2 in front of two of the Yamahas, Pol Espargaro and Bradley Smith.
Row 3, Scott Redding, Cal Crutchlow and Andrea Iannone. Row 4, Aleix Espargaro, Yoni Hernandez and Andrea Dovizioso.
Fifth row headed by Maverick Vinales, Stefan Bradl and Loris Baz. Row 6, Jack Miller, Hector Barbera and Danilo Petrucci.
Row 7 for this 20-lap race, Eugene Lafferty, Albano Martins. 52 points down Marc Marquez. Yamaha can't take a gamble here, really. I think Rossi will take a gamble. I think Lorenzo may go for the points. What do we know? What do we know about the weather? We may live here. What we do know is that 20 laps of the Silverstone circuit will test these riders to the limit.
To this 23-lap race. Through there for Joan Mir. Will he be Suzuki's first winner of this 2020? He said yesterday it will not be his injuries that will be the biggest headache. It's going to be the tyre choice and managing
the pouring rain. Round 12 of the MotoGP World Championship is underway.
Brilliant start from the two men at the top of the grid. Roy Lorenzo's going to get the whole shot into the first corner. Pol Espargaro got a great start from fifth. Pol Espargaro already up into third. Lorenzo leads the way. We've got a couple of falls at the back. That looks like is that Jack Miller. Lorenzo leads from Marquez. Pol Espargaro. Rossi is in fourth. Danny Pedrosa dropped back to fifth. Bradley Smith started sixth. That's where he is at the moment. Marquez trying to hit the front of Lorenzo.
Marquez and Lorenzo. It goes for Espargaro. Trying to get up the inside of Marc Marquez.
Yoni Hernandez couldn't quite see from the helicopter shot. It was a red and white bike, so did Jack Miller, but Lorenzo still leads the way. Pol Espargaro really attacking Marc Marquez. Marquez has got the inside line as Espargaro looks up the inside, can't quite make a move at the Stowe corner. Valentino Rossi still in fourth place. Bradley Smith has picked up Danny Pedrosa. Bradley Smith now up into fifth place. Lorenzo leads. Pol Espargaro now finally through on Marc Marquez. The Spaniard on the number 44 up to second.
Ride with Bradley Smith. Smith has picked up a place. He's got past Danny Pedrosa. Danny Pedrosa gets past him once again as they come up to the front corner. Right behind Bradley Smith. Cal Crutchlow. Lorenzo, where he likes to be, at the front as they come onto the international straight.
Valentino Rossi there, sweeps up, we're riding on four with Marc Marquez into this fast Abbott corner, and he's been passed by Valentino Rossi. Next in sights for the number 46 is Pol Espargaro. Great first lap from the former Moto2 world champion. He started this race in 5th place. Rossi immediately attacks Espargaro. Espargaro now, can he get hold of Marc Marquez? Valentino Rossi up into 2nd place.
Oh, Marquez and Espargaro, remember those Moto2 battles that caused so much controversy.
Marquez now back it up into 2nd by Valentino Rossi, who's momentarily dropped back to 4th a couple of corners ago. Was Marc Marquez down the Wellington Straight for the first time. Jorge Lorenzo leads the way. Marquez 2nd, Valentino Rossi in 3rd. Look at Jack Miller, the Australian there, now at the inside of his teammate Cal Crutchlow. Jack Miller, the Australian rookie, started this race from 16th. He's already up inside the top 8. Brilliant from the rookie.
Lorenzo at the front, Marquez closing him down with Ryder, but it's Jackman on the outside there. There is Cal Crutchlow trying to get back up inside of his teammate, and he has done exactly that across the line. So for Joseph Smith, Crutchlow, Lorenzo leads the way.
Rossi back up the inside of Marc Marquez on the brakes into Cox corner. Rossi into 2nd place. Lorenzo leads by just under half a second. Spray pouring out from the 2 Yamahas at the front of this field. Rossi now closes right up on his teammate Lorenzo through Baggins and Beckers. Pol Espargaro still holding down Pedrosa off for 4th place. Back on board now with
MotoGP riders fighting it out in the sun.
Yeah, Lorenzo won't know this is all unfolding behind him, but if this stays like it is, he'll have to give Dani Pedrosa a real big pat on the back at the end of this race, because Pedrosa is putting up a great fight, and these are vital World Championship points up for grabs. Famos for Dani Pedrosa, come on.
I don't think he can be giving it any more than he is at the moment. Through 10 and 11, they plunge down towards 12. Rossi not close enough this time round. This is where Marquez crashed out on the 2nd lap.
These are a crucial last 2.5 laps for Valentino Rossi in the 2015 MotoGP World Championship. Will he go to Japan? Leading Jorge Lorenzo by 14 points, or will he seize back another 4 points and lead by 18? We're going to find out very soon in the next 5 minutes. He can't get close enough to Pedrosa on this back straight.
Here's Lorenzo into 16, as you say, totally unaware of what is happening behind him. He's not close. All he can do is win 25 points. But it is 4 points between a massive difference when we arrive in Valencia in the first week of November for the final round of the championship. 2 laps ago, Lorenzo crosses the line. 3-second advantage. Pedrosa holds the advantage. Here comes Rossi into turn 1. Now, can he make it stick this time round? No, he can't.
He's in too hot again. He couldn't quite hold the inside line again through turn number 2. So that's the 4th time now that Valentino Rossi, twice at turn 1, twice at turn 4, he's got through, but he's come under instant attack again from Dani Pedrosa. He's not close enough for a lunge at turn number 4.
3 times now he's led the way. 3 times Pedrosa has fought back. They're up at the top end of the circuit. They're coming up towards turn 7. 1.5 laps to go. 2 great Grand Prix riders fighting it out. No corner arm, no corner gimmick. If there's any better motorsport than this, I've never seen it.
Rossi now close enough to be lining up a pass on the brakes down into turn number 12, where we saw Marc Marquez crash early on in the race. Valentino Rossi, does he get through though on Dani Pedrosa here on the brakes down into turn 12? Will he just get blasted back on the back straight by the power of the Honda? Is Rossi close enough? They know what this 4 points means in terms of the World Championship. Rossi wasn't close enough to attack at turn 12. He's not close enough at 13. It's going to be a dramatic final lap for 2nd place.
Pedrosa still leads the way through 14. Then they're going to flick it left, coming onto the back straight, and this is where Pedrosa has the advantage, and this is where he will have the advantage on the last lap. Pulls away from Rossi once again. They race down this 1 kilometre long straight towards turn 16.
Rossi is going to have to try and make a move on Dani Pedrosa at turn number 1. He's tried it twice already and failed. He runs in too hot and then runs wide, allows Pedrosa to sweep back through. Jorge Lorenzo starts the last lap. A 5th Grand Prix win of the season coming up for Lorenzo. Now here comes Rossi. This is a crucial first corner.
He's out here in Mugello. What's going to happen? Oh, it is! Petrucci's dream is realised. He is a MotoGP winner.
Valentino Rossi, if he finishes 3rd, but he wants those 4 World Championship points. He's lined.
juara 2-3. Juara satunya Pak Boy juara satunya guys. Mari kita berikan hadiah. Hadiahnya sepatu. Oh, sepatu boot. Juara 2 diberikan oleh Kemar dengan knalpot racing petung. Wow. Juara 1 hadiahnya itu, waduh, sepeda guys. Gimana Pak rasanya juara 1? Oke, sekarang pemberian minuman. Gimana guys? Kasih tepuk tangan guys. Oke guys, welcome back to my channel lah. Saya kalah, saya rayakan dengan juara terakhir, ayo guys. Juara terakhir, bukan guys. Sebagai juara terakhir, mendapat hadiah yang sepadan. Mantap guys. Woi, mantap. Oke, 3, 2, 1 aku closing ya guys.